Welcome to Geospatial Lab. Today we will learn Geodatabase design and project area mapping. And for this tutorial, I have selected the bus answer. And for the Geodatabase design, we have to know about little bit Geodatabase. Geodatabase combined with feature dataset, feature class, layer. And for this tutorial, we have digitized several features. Under these features there are some layers, and here are natural features, small river, water bodies, a forest. And under security are navy office, police station. And socio-economic infrastructure layer will be Moscow, bazaar, guest house, hotel and helipad. And physical infrastructure layer will be road and embankment. Let's open ArcMap. First we have to create a folder in our preparable folder connection. Here I created a folder and name it as project. And under this project folder I have created a geodatabase, file geodatabase, and rename it as bus answer. And if we check the properties, here we didn't find any domain, so we have to create domain. So we have to open the ARC catalog and data management tools, domains, create domains. Here we have to input the workspace as our by connecting our GDB, file Geo-database. Let's take little bit time. And domain will be the natural features. Okay. And again create another domain for security, input workspace, add security. Okay. And again for socio-economic infrastructure, and create domain. And last one for physical infrastructure. Okay. Now if we see the domain, here we get some domains: natural features, physical infrastructure, security and socio-economic infrastructure. But the domain type have to be coded below, but coded are blank, so we have to add. So again we open the properties. Here we have to add the code, and for natural features will be the small river, or khal, water bodies, or fly. Okay. And physical infrastructure will be the road and embankment. And security features are Navy office and police station. Socio-economic infrastructure are Moscow Bazaar, guest house, hotel, helipad, and then apply. Now check again the properties. Sorry, we have to create a new piece of dataset. Project Bashanchar. Next, and select our coordinate system. For Bangladesh, the coordinate system 3106, and for this tutorial I have selected the Gulshan. And new feature class and name will copy from here. Part file, natural features. Next, the string have to be underscore and field name will be the short integer and domain will be natural features. Finish. Close. And same things again repeat for security, and it will be the point feature. Next, and name, it will be the name, not security, and data type will be the short integer, domain will be the security, and finish. Close. And repeat again. It will be the feature class under the yes, socio-economic and point features, name, short integer, domain, socio-economic, finish. Close. Have to do that under the feature class name, physical infrastructure, road embankment, and it will be the line features. Next, and name, short integer, physical infrastructure, finish. close, and here we open the symbology, categorize, add all value, okay. Again for security, symbology, categorize, unique value, add all value, physical infrastructure properties, symbology, categories, add all value, okay. Natural features properties, symbology, categories, all value, add all value. Now you can see the all layers of all features. Now we have to add the portable server. For this I have add the portable server in the description link. You can download it in here from the description link. And after opening the description portable server, you will get several data sources. But for this tutorial, we will use Google Maps imagery and Google Maps road. And here after adding, you have to click start new service and copy to clipboard, copy, and you have to open the GIS server, add WMTS server and paste here, get layers, okay. And again for Google Maps route, copy to clipboard, okay, and add WMTS server, paste, get layers, okay, and double click here, or you can right button and click connect. And after you can find a new layer and drag it in here, waiting for a little bit. Now you get a server map, portable server map, and after adding you have to zoom your study area. For this tutorial I have selected Basansar as our study area, and I zoom in the Basansar. Now you can see the area clearly. Properties, and we can increase the transparency for the better visualization, but it looks better than before. If you didn't find the editing toolbars, you have to right click here and you'll get the editor toolbars and drag it as it here and create features for the digitization. And let's start the digitization. And first I have digitized the embankment of the Basansar area. Let's start. and this chapter is known as feature digitization. Continue feature dataset. During digitization, you have to zoom more to get the better accuracy. For the tutorial purpose, I have used 1:24,000 scale. You can zoom better for the better accuracy of the digitizing. Our embankment digitization has completed. Now save it, and now we'll digitize the roads, click road and line, and find out the road by zoom in and start digitizing. Region vertex and continue. Snapping tool is very useful during the digitization. You can use snapping tool when required. You need much patience during the digitization to find out the features, and you see that here the roads are much complicated to find out, but we have to get it by zooming. Our roads are completed and I have to save it. Now we will digitize our security and navy office. So we have to find out the navy office and you will get this feature by better zoom of your area, or you can visit the area for the better output. Police station, and bazar, here is one, another one. You can see the symbol of market, and here is another one. Here is another one. Helipad. Mosque, and here is another mosque. And some border are missing, so you have to relocate again. Guest house, and there is a hotel, and we have to locate it. And check again. During the work, if you are necessary of snapping and disturb it, you have to unsigned the snapping toolbars, or check out the snapping toolbars. Now we will digitize our natural features. First, take the river. And extra portion will be deleted by selection, and select, or you can press the backspace for the delete, and edit or save it. Another water bodies have been digitized, but you see that it's under the small river Khal. But for the tutorial purpose, I didn't change it. I think you can understand it will be the under the water bodies, not the small river Khal. You have to follow the layer features during the project mapping. and here we can see a canal flow through this area. It seems little bit problematic, so we have to redigitize again. And I have take it as khal. But remember, during your project mapping, you have to follow the zoom line guideline and zoom better zoom for the better output. And you can see that the attributes are small river khal, not water bodies. But remember, you have to follow during follow the rules regulation research layers during your project area mapping. Now we digitize the forest area. Select and press the backspace for delete, and yes, it deleted. And again. Redigitize this forest area again. It's showing some disturbance, so we can start from here. Again, this one shows again problem, so we start again redigitization and delete it. Editor, save it. Our digitization process has been completed. Now we can check out the table of content attribute table, and here we get the layers and the info. Again, open for socioeconomic. Yes, we get all of our digitized data in the table. And when I have select here, you see it's selected and color as blue. And physical infrastructure, click open, and here we see that there are several road layers and 2 embankment layer. And natural features, open attribute table, and you also see that shape area and shape length, which is much important for the project area. Now we can open the layout view for the zoom in, extreme zoom in, fixed, and it's drag it in center area. Now it's look better, but we can labeling the layers for the better understanding. And now label, click the layers and click label features. But we see that there are all of roads are labeled, so we have to remove the duplicate label. Labels, placement properties, and remove duplicate label. Okay, now we see that's visualize better than before. Now we add the grid, click grids, new grid, next labels only, next, finish, apply. But we have to label the label orientation left, right, and size 12, apply. Okay, and it's look better. And now we added text for the title and increase change that fonts and increase that size. Okay, and it's look better. Now we can add the Google Maps imagery for the better visualization, and its visualization is perfect. Now we can export the map in our preparable folder. Here I save the tutorial folder, and it's take some time. And now I open our saved image. This is wrong. we have saved in desktop, and now we can open it, and you can see that the map is all over good, and all of features are visualized and labeled. And this way you can map in your project area for your project designing purpose. Thank you everyone.